Here's the F350 Wonder for you. Spent like 30 minutes to an hour trying to get her to start. I parked her. She didn't want to start. I was fucking trying everything, getting her started, fucking testing everything. And I'm just sitting here and I wait like, another 25 minutes, 30 minutes, and I give up. And then I try it one last time and she starts right up. So go fucking figure. F350. It's a Ram F350 update. She's having some issues. We gotta fucking replace some stuff, I think.